MDC Gita Debbarma visited the Aadi Sewa Kendra in the Gobin Para area under the East Ratanpur Village Committee within the 17 Pekuwajala-Janmejoynagar constituency on Thursday. During an official visit, MDC Gita Debbarma conducted a comprehensive inspection of Khorang Academic School. The assessment focused primarily on evaluating overall cleanliness standards and reviewing the ongoing construction progress of our institution's private hostel facility.
Mainly Mia 26 tarik August 2026 Chini His Highness Chini Maharaja Khorang Academy visit khlaija aboni pore tea garden ayang jejenagar gai takarjolani amchayo baki chahabai kaisa jagano visit khlaija. During the visit Chini Maharaj visit khapro a Khorang boundary bisingo je kaisa private hostel tongtomani student ka Khorang ni na haipano Chini korokta taku apno ran khlai tomani Maharaj sawo bono ajagani remove khlaidi school boundary bisingo ta tondi nangkai bono alka jagao setup khlaini bagi application khaigini bo samani dai tini je hostel ran khlai tongnai boba yang malai khatini kai malai peacefully jeng program salaika ke bobo bon hnu ano jodi kono kaisa jodi accommodation khaire khangkai bobo chajago bini bagi jeng tam khailema ang tabu CM no sanai Chini CM no sanai je bini condition jeng saimanka okay without bini condition saimai with jeng kono kok salaimeya so abon bagi proper investigation khagen bagi yang thakya nukha ke jeng tabu further abon tam khlaiman CM ba yang discussion khai hamba आप दिले तो चलिए
Reported by Raju from Khorang, Chini, Khorang.